how to change language on REDnote application on iPhone and Android. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on REDnote application on iPhone and Android. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your REDnote application, and once you click on your application, you'll be redirected to the home page. So what you got to do is click on your me icon over here, and once you click on that, you will be redirected to your profile. So over here, you got to click on this option that is a gear icon. It is right next to your edit profile. So just click on this gear icon, and once you click on gear icon, you'll be redirected to your settings. If your application is entirely in Chinese and you can't understand any of these options and all of these options are in Chinese, so just select the second option, that is general settings. Just select the second option. If you don't understand Chinese, no problem, just click on the second option. And then over here, the first one is the languages option. So if all of the options are in Chinese, just select the first option and you will be redirected to the language section. So you can select any language from any of these. So over here is English. So if you don't understand Chinese, you can just click on English, and once you click on English and go back, you'll be able to see that your application has been changed into English. So that was basically how you can change language on your REDnote application, be it iPhone or Android device. Over here, I'm using iPhone, but if you're using Android, you can follow similar steps in order to change your language on your Android device. So that was how you can change language on REDnote application. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.